Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to discuss about the stock picks for tomorrow. So as usual, first of all we are going to analyze tomorrow's picks, and after that we will get back to today's market review. Guys, one important thing is that in this month we are providing a one-day training program which is called All About Stock Market, which is the name of the program. So if you want to attend the program and learn more about trading, you should definitely contact us through the links in the description or contact numbers in the description. Guys, if you really want to improve your trading skill, you should definitely watch the video till the end, because in the second part of the video we are providing the review of yesterday's pick. So you will definitely get something new to study from that part as well. So try to watch the video till the end. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So in container Copa, as you can see that it is in an uptrend. Okay, so this white line right here is the uptrend, and price started making a huge steep rally, and as we expected, we can see a correction phase right here, and as you can see the price is in a correction form, so it is in a downtrend right now. So we can hope for a breakdown below this level, or an impulsive wave or a trend continuation above this level. Okay, so the levels that you can consider for tomorrow is below 553 you can go for a breakdown, and above 570 you can go for a breakout. Okay, so these two are the important level that you can consider for tomorrow. And the next pick is TVS Motors. So in TVS Motors, you can see right here it is in an uptrend. Okay, so this is the most relevant trend line that we can draw with respect to the previous higher lows. So price is actually bouncing back towards the upper direction from this uptrend line right now. Okay, so you can hope for an impulsive wave, or if the market go bearish you can go for a breakdown, or you can short below this level. Okay, so these are the levels that you can consider for tomorrow. So above 594 you can go for a breakout, and below 580 you can go for a breakdown. So these two are the immediate support and resistance level. So the next resistance level nearby is 603. So these three are the levels that you can consider to trade in TVS Motors. So that is the case of TVS. So the next pick is RBL Bank. So we can see in RBL Bank it is in an uptrend. Okay, right here you can see the uptrend. This chart has been drawn, we have been using the same pattern, same chart in the last few picks, last few videos. So you can easily understand the current scenario of RBL Bank. I hope this is again from yesterday's watch list. So these are the levels that you can consider. Before that, this is the condition. It is an uptrend, and price have been taking support near this support zone, and it is in kind of a consolidation. We can say it is a flag and pole pattern right here. So you can hope for a proper breakout only above this channel pattern, above this level. So as an intraday trader you can consider this level as well. So these are the levels for intraday trading. Within this channel itself you can go for long trade above 242, and you can go for short trade below 230. So these are the levels for intraday, and for a better breakout you should wait till 249 or 250. Okay, so that is the case of RBL Bank. So these are the levels you can consider. And the fourth pick is TCS. So in TCS it is in an uptrend, and almost exactly same as the RBL Bank. It is in an uptrend, and it is in a flag and pole pattern. It is inside a downtrend channel, which is the flag pattern. So you can see that it is broken already, and price is consolidating above this channel pattern. So you can go for a breakout or a breakdown below these two levels. So above 3099 you can go for a breakout. Next immediate resistance zone is 3160. Okay, so these two are the levels for long position, and if you want to go for a short trade, you should wait till 342. Below 342, if it is broken, you can go for a short trade. So that is the case of TCS. And the last pick is Sun Pharmaceutical. So you can see that in Sun Pharmaceutical, it is in an uptrend. You can see two lines, one is a dotted line, another one is inclined white line. So you can see, I will show you bigger picture into our time frame. So these are two support line in an uptrend with respect to different higher lows. Okay, so these two lines have been respected, and this is the point where these two lines coincide. So right now this white line is broken, but still you can wait because this dotted line is also gonna act as a support zone, hopefully. So if you want to buy, you can wait till this level. I will give you the closer look. So as you know, the current scenario in this pick, there are two cases. You can go for a short trade below this white horizontal line, or a long trade above these two levels. Okay, so above 609 it is a long position, and above 616 as it is also a long position. So those two are the resistance zone, and the immediate support zone is 589. So below 589 or 590, you can go for a breakdown, because only below that level you can see this line also broken, this dotted line also. So this is the levels that you can consider in Sun Pharmaceutical. So these are the picks that we are providing for tomorrow. So guys, these are the picks that we have given for today. So first pick was Tech Mahindra. So as you can see in Tech Mahindra, we got a breakout right here. I don't know whether it was a proper, tradable breakout. So in the morning session, as you can see right now, right here, the price started right here, and after that it rallied till this portion, and we got a small breakout right here. Let me measure this breakout. So I hope it was a better scalping opportunity. Yeah, it was a scalping opportunity. It was almost 0.5%. So that was a good trade in Tech Mahindra in the morning session. After that it break down and came inside to our level and consolidated for a while, and again get back up and got rejected back at the exact resistance zone right here, and again it fell down, and also it tried to move up again, and also you can see that it have been rejected to multiple times right here, exactly in the resistance zone. Okay, and after that it managed to break out that portion, and we got a proper breakout afterwards. So it was again a proper breakout of 4.7%. So that was a case of Tech Mahindra. It was a proper tradable situation in Tech Mahindra. And the next pick was TCS. So as you can see in TCS, the price started right here, and after that it fell down, and actually it took support over the support level that we have considered. Okay, you can see it took support over right here, and after taking support at that point, it started rallying till the resistance zone. So if you have entered at this point as a support zone, you could have made a profit till our resistance zone, because it actually kind of break out the resistance zone, but you could have made a profit of a decent profit of 1%, more than 1%, actually 1.5% to be accurate. Okay, so after that it break out our level, but I don't know whether this breakout was a proper breakout, because it haven't actually made till 0.5% at least. So it was not a breakout. The people who have entered right here probably got hit by the stop loss. Okay, and after that price break down and get inside our level and took resistance over our level and fell down immediately, and kind of consolidated in the middle way. Okay, so that was the case of TCS. There was only one tradable opportunity, and this was a stop loss. So that was the case of TCS. And the next pick was Auro Pharma. So in Auro Pharma, you can see we got a proper breakdown right here. It was actually a perfect tradable opportunity. So you can see right here we got a breakdown in the morning session, and it was the first candle of today. So it was the first candle we got a breakdown, and after that it fell tremendously, and you can see that it fell almost 3% in this single day with respecting to our level. So we got a 26 point breakdown in Oro Pharma, so that was perfectly fine. And the fourth pick was RBL Bank. So in RBL Bank we have already considered for the buy level, we haven't considered for the sell level. So as you can see, we don't have any tradable opportunity right here, but you can consider this as a tradable opportunity, but we haven't considered the horizontal support zone. Okay, so due to some uncertainty, so you can see right here we have this support line, which is this white line, and price break down this line and took resistance over this line, which was a retest and fell again downward. So if you consider this line from our video, you could have made a profit from that as well, but I am not counting this trade because we haven't considered a sell level or a horizontal sell side. So that is the case of RBL Bank. So the last pick was Berger Paints. So in Berger Paints you can see that price started right here, and it was a highly volatile market, but still I am trying to measure the trade because it have broken our level in the morning session, okay, before 10 itself, and we got a proper breakdown till 0.6%, which is 4 points, which is kind of a fluctuating market, but still you could have made a profit from that market as well. And after that it ended inside this level, and again we got a breakdown from our level, which is again a more than 0.5%. So that was the case of Berger Paints. Not just that, again it break inside our level, and we got a retest with respecting to our level. So at this retest you could have ended again, you could have go for a long trade. If you have done that, you could have again made a profit at least till this resistance zone, okay, this inclined resistance zone, which is 0.6%. so you could have made at least almost 1% from these three trade totally. Okay, so that was the case of our picks that we have considered for today. So guys, if you want to trade with us, if you want to use this video series to make profit, you should definitely open a trading account in an equity friendly stockbroker, which I recommend is Upstox. So if you want to open a trading account in Upstox, you can open your account right now using the links in the description. You can scroll down and see the links of Upstox in the description, and you can open an Upstox account right away. If you find this video helpful, you make sure that you have subscribed to our channel. Please like the video and give us a honest feedback on the comment section. Once again I am saying that please subscribe to our channel, because 80% of the people who are watching this video are not subscribing to our channel. So please try to subscribe to our channel, and you can join our community through the Telegram links in the description. So guys, see you all tomorrow. Bye.